Alright, so the question is how to add clickable link in Instagram Reels. The answer is you cannot directly add a clickable link inside the video of an Instagram Reel. However, there are a few workarounds to include clickable links with your Reels. What you can do, you can pin a comment with your link. Post your Reel, go to the comments and paste your link. Also, you can use your link in the bio. For that, just click on your profile icon on bottom right corner and go to the profile. Just wait a minute. It will take a few. All right, now just click on edit profile and here click on add link. Click on add external link and here you can paste the URL and you can give it a title. After that, just click on confirm. All right, click on confirm. And as you can see, the link is added. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.